Hello, it's Bill, the knee pain guru, and welcome. Today we are going to talk about the hidden costs of knee pain. Most of the time, in my experience, I've been involved with knee pain for 2 decades. Initially because of my own knee injury, and now that's my day job. I work with clients to help them eliminate chronic knee pain. And most of the time, people equate knee pain with the cost of it. What is the cost of a prescription drug? What is the cost of a pain-killing shot? What is the cost of a surgery? What is the cost of physical therapy? But there's lots of hidden costs of knee pain that I don't think people necessarily equate to what is happening with their knees. A lot of them are opportunity costs. Opportunity costs are costs that they have to forego. And I've made a list of them today that I'd like to throw them out there for you to think about. But I'd also like to hear from you in terms of what are other costs that knee pain is affecting you with. So I'll list some of them. One is time. What is your time worth? If it takes you a certain amount of time just to walk around your house, but now because you have knee pain, it takes you like 5 times as long to do something or get something done. What is your time worth? What is your time worth to get ready and leave to go someplace and do something? But because you have knee pain, you have to plan so much more in advance. There's a time value in that. You're foregoing things because you need more time to get what you need to get done because you have knee pain. An energy cost. I know when I had knee pain, it was exhausting just to take a bath or take a shower. Absolutely exhausting because I had to prepare and I had to make sure I had everything together for when I got done. And I remember there was even an experience. So when after my surgery, that I got stuck in the bathtub because of the way my leg was, and I couldn't bend and I couldn't get leverage. And I was stuck in the bathtub. I couldn't even get my friends to help me out of the bathtub because of the angle it was. So it was like I was exhausted just taking a bath or taking a shower. There's opportunity costs as far as job, the way you show up, not being in a good mood at work, you're not being able to present your best self, and that affects your ability to be promoted or sell or do the job that you're supposed to do. So there's opportunity costs as far as that goes. There's travel. Not being able to travel with your loved ones, with your friends, with significant others, because of the pain, because of having to limp, having to be catered to, and things such as that. There's lots of opportunity costs. For those that are joining us, if you have questions or, what are your hidden costs of knee pain? These things that I'm sharing that jog in your memory or in your mind how knee pain has affected you. The hidden cost in relationships with your children, with your grandchildren, not being able to play on the floor. My daughter's 4, so her big thing now is hide and seek, chase her, run around the yard, go to the park. Those things that I get on the ground and roll around with her and play with her and dance with her. Not being able to do that with your children or your grandchildren. There's a hidden cost of knee pain. With spouses and significant others. Once again, knee pain made me cranky as hell. I mean, really, really bad mood. So there's that place of people not wanting to be around me because I was in such a bad mood. I was so difficult to be around because I was frustrated with my knee, because I couldn't figure out what was going on with my knee. and be out of pain, the swelling, the achiness, waking me up in the middle of the night. Which brings us to the bedroom. The effect, the hidden cost of knee pain on your love life, on your sex life, being romantic and intimate with someone, not being able to spoon with somebody, cuddle, snuggle, sex was all affected and compromised as a result of my knee. Having someone roll over or me roll over and just hitting a shin or a knee or something like that with my knee and the pain. Instantly I'm woken up. And now there's the hidden cost of sleep, the value of sleep, being able to get a good night's sleep as it relates to knee pain. There's another hidden cost. For those that don't have significant others that aren't married, the hidden cost of knee pain on your dating life. There's a big one. I remember a client that I was working with out of San Francisco, and she was embarrassed having to wear a knee brace to go out on a date and not having the ability of like walking and just enjoying a walk with someone out on a date, that she had to stop and rest. There's a huge hidden cost of knee pain. Just doing fun stuff, just walking out your door and going for a walk in nature or doing whatever you want to do, playing sports, basketball, tennis, golf, you name it, just doing fun shit. Knee pain affects that. You just can't do it because it's on your mind all the time. There's another hidden cost. Not being able to exercise, not being able to keep yourself healthy, because movement, freedom of movement, is part of a healthy lifestyle. And you can't move the way you want to move. There's a hidden cost of knee pain. So then you have a whole other laundry list of problems that happen as a result of you not being able to move. You get sicker. There's a whole cascade of chemical reactions that take place when your body is in a perpetual fight or flight state. So that leads to a shorter lifespan as a result of the knee being in pain all the time. So here's another hidden cost of knee pain: shorter lifespan. Independence, being able to be independent. But, like as we get older, there's more dependence we have on other people. That's just part of getting older, or it can be. But before your time, I was in my late 20s and I was enormously dependent on other people because of my knee. I couldn't do things on my own, having to ask people to get stuff for me, to help me around, to help me up. I mean, that's a real difficult one. Welcome, who's joining us. If you have questions about your knee pain or any of the hidden costs that you'd like to share, that are what I'm sharing is jogging your memory, please do so. And for those that are so inspired and would like to know more information, you can like this video, subscribe to my channel. Hello, Matt. You can go over to my website, thekneepainguru.com. Check that out. There's a 7-day knee pain reduction challenge that you could begin working with to get relief in your knee. So that's all about naturally reducing the pressure on the nerves that are causing the pain. And it really, all these hidden costs of knee pain add up and they play on your mind. You think about these more and more every day, but we got to kind of push it down into the background because we got to show up and we got to be dad and son and uncle and husband or aunt or whoever you are in other people's lives. You're required to show up that way and essentially suck it up. So these are all hidden costs that add up and build up over time. So that is what I had to share. The hidden costs of knee pain, they're insidious. They really play a huge role in how we show up in the world, how we show up in life. And some people put it off, like, it's not that big a deal that I feel old, I can't move. And I just suck it up and ignore it. And that's okay, fine. If you have the capability of doing that, more power to you. But understand that this is adding up over time. And this is eventually going to show up in a way in your life where you can't ignore it anymore. The body has injury and it compensates, and it injures and it compensates. And eventually at some point in time, your body's going to say, nope, no more. You've ignored me long enough, and it's going to put a hurting on you, and it's going to be more than the knee. So hopefully you don't get to that point. And if you do want to start taking action, you do want to start doing something to relieve the pain in your knee with a natural approach that's outside of the box, when the drugs, the shots, the unnecessary surgeries, and the painful physical therapy, you get to a place where you realize it's not working, then I have tons of stuff that can help you in terms of a natural approach, a holistic approach to reduce the pain in your knee, teach you about your body in a way that you can start engaging the natural reflexes, the ability of the body to create comfort for itself. Learn how to do that, then head over to my website, thekneepainguru.com. If this information sounds good, please like, thumbs up, subscribe to my channel on Facebook, on YouTube, also on my website, thekneepainguru.com, and share this with your friends. The ones that are limping around, you'll know them. They're easy to spot. Anyhow, this is Bill Paravano, the Knee Pain Guru, going to sign off for today. Have a wonderful day and a wonderful rest of the week.